In this session, we will learn about bobbin winding and loading. At the end of this session, you will be able to know threading the lower part of sewing machine and wind the bobbin with lower thread. Now let us recollect threading the lower part of sewing machine. Remove the bobbin case, pulling on the bobbin case latch. Remove the bobbin from the case and wind the thread. Put the bobbin back to the bobbin case and pull the thread through the little slot at least 4 inches long. Be sure that you hear the case being locked upon inserting the bobbin case inside the shuttle. Start the mechanism by rolling the balance wheel forward to get the thread of the bobbin through the needle. Pull the upper and lower thread together by 4 inches. Let us rewind the functions of bobbin winder and bobbin case. Bobbin winder facilitates the winding of thread on the bobbin. Some are made to stop automatically when the bobbin is full. Bobbin case moves into position to catch the top thread and forms the stitch as the needle is lowered into the bobbin chamber. Here are the steps to remove bobbin. Open the shuttle cover. Pull out the bobbin casing. Remove the bobbin from the casing. Let us see how to prepare the thread. Find the spool pin. Loosen the thread. Place the spool of thread on the spool pin. Slide the end of your thread through the thread guide. Locate the machine's tension disc. Wrap the thread around the tension disc once. The steps to wind the bobbin are: thread the bobbin, find the bobbin winder, put the bobbin on the winder, lock the bobbin winder, hold the end of the thread, push down on the foot pedal, fill up the bobbin with thread, cut the thread, push the bobbin winder back into the start position, remove the bobbin from the winder. Let us test your understanding by performing few tasks. To do this, you need single needle lock stitch machine, bobbin and bobbin case and thread. First task is to threading the lower thread to the bobbin, insert it into the bobbin case. Hold the bobbin towards left hand so that the thread winds to the right. Insert the bobbin into the bobbin case. Pass the thread through the slot and under the tension spring as shown. Pull the thread out through the hole in the end of the tension spring. Check that the bobbin turns clockwise when the thread is pulled. Hold the latch on the bobbin case into the rotary hook. Second task is to wind the lower thread to the bobbin. Turn on the power switch. Place the bobbin onto the bobbin winder shaft. Push down the bobbin presser arm as far as it will go. Wind the thread several times around the bobbin in the direction indicated by the arrow. Depress the treadle, lower thread winding will then start. Winding of the lower thread is completed, remove the bobbin and trim the thread. Loosen the screw. If the thread cannot be wound on evenly, move the bobbin winder guide to left or right. Tighten the adjusting screw to wind more thread onto the bottom. The amount of thread wound onto the bobbin should be maximum of 80% of the bobbin capacity. We have reached the end of this session on bobbin winding and loading. By now, you should be able to know threading the lower part of sewing machine and wind the bobbin with lower thread.